All right, we got a great project for you guys. This is a 2007 Volkswagen Jetta that we're gonna be doing a full system. You got some Moscone amplifiers, Denson audio speakers, Dyna audio speakers. We're gonna be adding this 4-channel to give a little bit extra channels so we can get the things going. You know what things I'm talking about? Tell me what things I'm talking about. Channels, bro. We need channels. So this is the Volkswagen, man. The speakers are huge, guys. Like when I looked at them, it was crazy. Look at this. Look at how big that is. That's the 4-inch. It's the mid-range. Tweeter looks exactly the same, but just 1 inch. The mid bass, forget the mid bass, is ridiculously huge too. Look at this. Looks like a spider, but oh my god, look how pretty that looks. Yeah, some people are gonna be envious. So that's for the front, and the rear are gonna have the same speakers but a 2-way. And then they have the Moscone amplifier. Look at how big this thing is too. Everything high end is super huge. Remember that. 4-channel, got the Helix director, and you got the Helix DSP. This thing's gonna sound bitchin'. All we're trying to do is get the power ran through, you know what I mean? Looks like they came out with a 0 gauge Stinger. Damn, that massive ass power wire. Woo!
So this power wire is gonna be ran in 5 minutes. I can't even run it anyway.
Why?
Because I still gotta run a 4-gauge.
Okay. Alright, player. I'm so jealous, dude.
Huh?
I'm so jealous. Are you jealous a little bit?
A lot of it.
So these are the doors. Check out the doors, okay? We're getting a good look at them right now. By the time we're done with it, it's gonna look amazing. So on this section, we're gonna be putting the 3-way kit in. So right here, the original speakers here, here, and here. But we're gonna be putting the mid-range is gonna go right here. What are you? Who are you? The question police? These positions are important due to the fact that you want access to your speakers so they can sound amazing. And having them right there makes all the world of difference, believe it or not. See, kind of like coming at you like. Then the mid bass here is gonna be better than over here because over here hits your side of your leg. We got one.
Happy birthday to you.
Why are you so early?
Happy birthday to
Thank you.
Que le muerda.
Happy
birthday to
It's my birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
Ok, ese es tu pedazo,
I should lick the whole thing.
Dad, me trying to distract you, bro.
Anyways, before I was rudely interrupted, the amps will go back there. I'm kind of excited to hear the system, to be honest, guys. Like, it's no joke. It's no joke of a system. It's like a banging system.
No. It's not a bang.
The highs are gonna bang, bro.
It's
The
a sound
box-
quality sound system.
The box isn't gonna bang. Look at the little box.
This is pure sound quality.
Pure SQ.
This is for you to fucking be stuck in traffic and you don't have to fucking worry about it because it sounds amazing. You know, that's the plan with this. I mean, if you live in LA or in New York, this is what you need right here. This type of system right here. That's all you need. Yeah. Fucking car you drive. It could be a bucket. It could be a Civic, just like you.
It was funny to you guys out there, bro.
You need good tunes, you know?
I'm letting people know I drive a bucket, bro.
Yeah, I got my bucket too.
Hey, my bucket grew up on YouTube though. You guys saw when we went to Long Beach in that bad boy, huh? I'll show you the video right now. All the way going to Long Beach, dog. Cruising in it.
Cruising down the street.
Nah, I wouldn't trust it though.
You don't trust it?
She got a she got a transplant. Busted.
So now we're gonna put this inside.
So what is this app gonna run? The one you have in your hand, you're working on right now.
This is gonna run our mid-range and mid-bass, which are the big boys.
The 4-inch and the 6-inch.
No, the 8-inch and the 4-inch.
It's 8?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
So the big boys are running to the big boy right here, and the small stuff running to this guy. So we're gonna be running passive, the rear speakers, the rear components, and then we're gonna be running the tweeters also passive. Active.
It's a sale price too. It's on sale. That's the rears. This is the front. Front, I'm probably gonna be at least $300 to $400 more. No, I seen it already. All right, so right now Javier's doing the circles for the doors, so that way we can customize the door panels and get those big ass speakers in there. That's not annoying at all, is it? That's not annoying at all, is it? This seems like a lot of math headache. We'll let him be in his own little world of measuring stuff. All right, man. We're gonna hit you guys with this science shit. We got science on our side. Now, how do you determine which way to point the tweeter and what location? You don't really know this type of deals or this type of things because they weren't taught to you. They weren't taught to you when you were a baby.
So this is very important, guys. Now, we don't just put tweeters just to install them, or we don't fabricate just to fabricate, okay? So we're actually pointing this tweeter to where we exactly need it to point. It's very crucial. We're not gonna do it up here like this, like this to your fucking ear. You gotta create an ambience in here, and it's very important, especially if you're listening to a concert that it's in a big arena. You want the ambience to travel through your car. So that's what we're gonna create here, and that's the important piece why we have to actually be pointing these tweeters to an actual spot.
So how do we know what spot to pick?
So what we're gonna do, we're gonna point it to the glass right here. Well, you're blocking me with the camera.
We should put some tape to hold it up.
I'm gonna put it sit there. I'll be back, guys.
Life hacks. Some life hack right there.
Yeah, bro. Bam, look at that. We're Mexican. A little history, guys. This guy came all the way from LA to get this install done.
That's 55 miles.
And
No, 70 miles.
And he was recommended by our friend Nick from New York, that he builds awesome sound systems. He does a lot of SQ. So
We'll have a link below.
he chose us to do this sound system for this customer. We thank you for it. So now we're gonna do the best possible to get this customer the best sound system he could get out of all the product he's brought us. So we're gonna take extra measures with this one. So we're pointing right there to get more ambience. Okay, we're gonna point it to the airbag thing right there. See that?
Okay.
You know who's gonna like this?
All right, looks like Junior is doing. He's starting the pillars. gonna stand here for 4 hours.
Fortunately, yes. That's how they walk.
Look at that. From concept to reality. It's gonna
Don't be
your
taking my
logo.
fucking slogan, bro.
It's gonna be a slogan. Concept to reality.
Hey, can you like block this out?
Edit it up.
Yeah.
Edit. So this is where they left off yesterday. As you can see, that's the amplifier for the highs, amplifier for the highs, DSP, and all the wiring. We just gotta wait for this fool to finish it sometime this year. So right here, we got my boy doing the tack. Just tacking shit, left and right. Aiming towards the window. You chop your elbows off.
Chop your elbows off and you're fucking fucked up. Like last night. You're fucked up to me. That message, bro.
You're drinking the haterade, dog.
I know, right? Some glue right now.
You should be stuck to your finger.
No, I didn't put it to my finger.
Is it? It looks like he's working on the other pods. Give a good look at that. Looks like you're doing good. Carnitas. Oh, that's cool. Wow. Look at you guys.
Con tu pareja.
Chingón. Continue to work on that, guys.
You wanna know what I'm into? We can start with a blindfold. You know the love goes deep, baby. Tell me what you in for. I'm over the hill and under the brakes, over the pain and under the faith, over the past, I wash it away. Tell me if you looking to stay, yeah. Now we can get it in through the daytime, or we can find the moon in the stateside. I know you got dreams we could chase, right? I wanna know what it tastes like. Tell me what's the motive, you got it. It's hard kept, but it's more than a promise. The way you move got me leaning all on it.
Just to get a little more info, we got the pillars done. 1, 2. All right. Junior's not here today, but we're having our other guys working on it. Amplifiers are in, and right now we're gonna be just tidying up a little bit more stuff.
They hit.
Tell them. The two forces of nature were so good that they collided together.
Well, the problem was we added these pieces.
Yeah. And that made up thickness for the way you actually said it.
Then it hits here. So I cut it. We're gonna reupholster it and call it a day.
That is, talk about, you know, talk about a way to save it. That's the way to save it.
And then the door hit. That was installer error. I was following the lines, but it was no good.
Maritza's in the building.
What's up, guys? You guys doing?
They miss you.
They miss me.
They saw you like 2 episodes and they're like, what the fuck, where's she been at?
I've been here, but he doesn't want to record me. He doesn't want people to like me more than him.
I can't have her taking out my limelight, you know? Like she brought her doggy today.
Yeah.
But I got hooked directly to the DFQ. So now I gotta wait a couple seconds. Uh-huh.
Yes, we do.
I mean, for the years this director's been made, they should have done a solution already for it. Yeah, but the director has been out for many, many years. Like, they should have already got a solution for it.
Maybe it's not an issue on their end.
Well, I mean, it's like when you take out a car and there's an issue from the customer's review, you identify it and then it keeps happening with not just that customer, it happens with multiple customers and you know it's a problem that's gonna come back to you.
Alright, man, so the red car has some issue vibration in the door panels. So Junior right here decided to put more sound deadening material all over the door. So you see they put it there too.
Good?
Just to make it sound much better, you know?
Atrás, al lado derecho.
That's just to give it the right sound that it's supposed to have, which is no vibration in the plastics. Just makes it better, you know? Okay, right here we're putting all the door panels back together. We already did the sound deadener. Now also I'm going to show you how clean these pods came out. They look really nice, considering they were made just a few days. Also, the sound quality of this car, whoa, it was amazing. Do me a favor, comment, like, subscribe, because it does help the channel out. And I'll see you guys next week with another build.